This is 1 Tesla. There are actually no speakers here. The fluorescent tubes in my hands are being wirelessly illuminated by radiated energy from the sparks. 1 Tesla was developed at MITRES, a hackerspace at MIT. 2 electrical engineering students, Bailey Wang and Daniel Kramnik, have spent months designing and prototyping 1 Tesla. We all share a love of high voltage and a belief that doing is the best way of learning, so I joined them to bring 1 Tesla into your hands as a DIY kit. Building a Tesla coil is a great weekend project. It teaches you about electronics, lets you play with an interesting form of instrument, and makes a brilliant display of artificial lightning. It's also a great science fair project. The 1 Tesla kit comes with everything you need to make beautiful singing sparks by yourself. All you need to provide is soldering equipment, glue, and small hand tools. We give you printed circuit boards, electronic components, laser-cut chassis, a secondary coil, a toroid, even power supplies.
One Tesla is a dual resonant solid-state Tesla coil. What this means is that we're essentially driving a resonant circuit through a transformer. In this case, the transformer consists of the primary coil here, which has very few turns, and the secondary coil here, which has several thousand turns. The resonant circuit consists of the inductance of the secondary, combined with this toroid, which acts as a capacitor to ground.
This is the 1 Tesla polyphonic MIDI controller. It allows you to connect a standard MIDI instrument, such as a keyboard or your computer's MIDI synthesizer, to your Tesla coil and play up to 2 notes at once. The controller is optically isolated from the Tesla coil to keep the high voltage out of your electronics and to keep them safe.
Notice the multiple notes played at the same time. This is what we mean by polyphonic. The interrupter's firmware is already available for download and is licensed under the GNU GPL. This means that you can modify, improve, and redistribute the code. The same goes for our user manual and hardware design. We want to give back to the DIY community that has helped us so much, so we're keeping everything open source. Many of the components that we're providing you are only available cheaply if we buy them in bulk. So we need your help, Kickstarter, to fund our first production run and get 1 Tesla off the ground.